If you're having trouble installing optional features, then you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several ways to fix this problem and get the optional features running again. Now, one of the first things you can try to use is the Deployment Imaging Servicing and Management tool. To use it, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now this will start the DISM tool and begin scanning your system for any corrupted or missing files. Once done, restart your computer. Next, another tool you can use to fix issues with optional feature installation is the System File Checker utility. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following, press Enter, and once the SFC scans for errors, make sure to restart your computer. Lastly, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, click Run next to Windows Update to run the troubleshooter, and then follow the on-screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And those are the following fixes if the optional features is not installing on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.